it is very common to get lost in a foreign country, especially if you struggle with your English, right? But part of the fun in visiting London is that people are keen to help and they really welcome tourists. It's funny because there are so many foreigners in Britain. Most of them work in big cities, and as Brits, they are hooked on the local culture and manners. This episode includes 2 different dialogues. We will practice giving and asking directions with new characters. First, a tourist who seems to be lost in the streets of London looking for the museum, and a married couple, Tom and Helen, visiting Florida. But first, make sure to download, click like and share this podcast series on a playlist or with your friends. Also, I invite you to join my YouTube channel, Look and Listen English Lessons with Sharon. You won't regret it, I promise. So sit back and enjoy your listening. Excuse me, can you help me please? I think I'm lost. Certainly, where would you like to go? I'd like to go to the museum, but can't find it. Is it far? No, not really. It's about 5 minutes walk. Maybe I should call a taxi? No. It's very easy, really. You see that? I can give you directions. Okay, thank you. That's very kind of you. Okay. Oh, not at all. Now, okay, listen. Go along this street to the traffic lights. Do you see them? Okay, alors, yes, I can see them. Right. So, at the traffic lights, turn left into Russell Square. Russell Square? Right. Go straight. Take the second left and enter Museum Drive. Okay, Russell Square, straight on, and then the third left, Museum Drive, oui? No, it's the second left. Right. Alors, the second street on my left, oui? Right, so just follow Museum Drive, and the museum is at the end of the road. Monsieur, madame, excusez-moi, great, yeah, oui. Thanks again for your help. I just can't wait to see Jack the Ripper, dead mummies. Oh, not at all. Have fun. Dead mummies? Thank you very much. Merci. Have a nice day. Spooky. Au revoir. Before we'll continue with the next part of this episode, there is something important you should keep in mind. The United Kingdom, like the United States, still uses miles and yards instead of kilometers.
Darling, what, could you go to the supermarket and buy some food? Well, see now that there's nothing to eat in the house.
Sure, love, but I don't remember the way since our last visit, do you?
Yeah, I can give you directions, not to worry.
Oh, thanks.
So, at the end of the street, take right, and then drive 2 miles after that. It's another mile to...
Okay, so just let me write this down. But I won't remember it, you know.
Well, okay, so first take a right and then end off the street.
Got it?
Right, so next drive 2 miles to White Avenue.
2 miles to White Avenue. And what, and after that?
Did you get it? Right, and then I think take a left onto the 14th Street.
Left onto 14th Street. Okay.
Yeah, and the supermarket is on the left next to the bank.
But how far is it after I turn onto the 14th Street?
Well, it's not so far, maybe about 200 yards.
Okay, great. So is there anything special you want?
No, I think just the usual. Well, you know what? If you could get some beer, that would be great, love.
Okay, just this once.
yellow.
Tom! Oh, I think I'm lost. I followed your directions. I'm not sure where I am.
What?
Hold on. Oh my God!
The-
Oh, that's amazing. You won't believe this. There is a big sign here. Says, "Welcome to Disney World."
What?
Oh my God! Here is Mickey. Excuse me, could you direct me to the nearest supermarket?
Sure, pull over and turn around. Well, I'll show you. Move it! Move it! Yee-haw!
Hi there, listeners. Hope you enjoyed the dialogues. I know I did. Now let's have a look at some grammar rules and the key vocabulary. Few points to remember. Imperative form. You should use the imperative form when providing directions. The imperative form is comprised of only the verb without any subject, and it tells someone directly what to do. Here are some examples of the imperatives. Number 1, take the blue line. Number 2, continue going straight. Number 3, change to the grey line. Now, while you would not use the imperative form in normal polite speech as it is considered too, direct, it is appropriate mostly when providing directions. Now let's move on to asking questions using how. How combines with many adjectives to ask for information about details. Here are some common questions with how. Number 1, how long? Used to ask about the length of time. Number 2, how much or many? Used to ask about price and quantity. How often? Used to ask about repetition. And now let's explore the key vocabulary, words and phrases related to directions. There are few important grammar and vocabulary points to remember when asking for and giving directions. For instance, take a right or left. Got it. I understand. Do you understand? Go straight. Opposite. Take the first, second, third right. Go right. Oh, left. Straight at the light. Corner. Oh, stop. Sign. Continue straight on. Turn right. Left at the light. Corner. Stop sign. Get on the bus. Subway at 12th Avenue. Whitman Street. Yellow Lane. Follow the signs for the museum, exhibition center, exit. Now, let's explore common questions with asking for directions. For example, is it far? Is it close? Oh, how far is it? How close is it? Could you please give me directions? Where is the nearest bank? Where is the nearest supermarket? Where is the nearest gas station? Where can I find bookstore? Where can I find a restaurant? Where can I find bus stop? Restroom? Is the museum bank? Is the bank department store near here? Thanks for listening to Look and Listen English Lessons podcast. To continue improving your English, you are welcome to join my channel and watch the videos on different topics and levels. Till next time, bye bye.